Do you want to know why I can't leave Hong Kong? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Laurent Timmermans. Welcome to ATHENASIA. And in this video, I will explain you why I'm trapped in Hong Kong. So, okay, obviously that was clickbait. I'm not in jail. I have no problem with authorities. I'm free to come and go in and out of Hong Kong. So I relax. I have no issues. But I will tell you here in this video the 5 reasons why I can't really leave. I have been living in Hong Kong for 15 years now. And I have to admit, sometimes, I have a need to experiment something new, especially after the protest, the pandemic situation, the whole circus we have been experiencing here. I have to admit, like many expats, I have been thinking leaving the city. However, now that everything cooled down, and we are back to normal for a few months now, I'm really going back on my decision, like really starting to think about it. And here will be the 5 reasons why. Reason number 1, the tax rate. So after Hong Kong, let's face it, everywhere else looks like a tax hell. In Hong Kong, you seldom pay more than 10% tax unless you are really well off. Corporate tax varies between 8.25% to 16.5%. Personal tax varies between 0 and 17%, and it's capped at 15%. Dividend tax, 0. Interest tax, 0. And this is just without playing any tricks. It's just the tax rate at it, flat tax rate. So it's really simple to understand and really good, So after that, if you are looking around, which country offer you the same level of taxation? So as an entrepreneur that worked hard to make my money, I came here with nothing, with basically just my backpack. And it's true. I should make a video one day on that, by the way. But I came here with nothing. Now that I'm doing pretty okay, it's really stupid to just go back in Europe, for example, and be racketed by my government. Reason number 2, ease of business. Hong Kong is a wonderful place for business. It's so easy first to understand how things work. The administration, the compliance, this part is pretty easy. But the other thing as well is the networking possibilities in Hong Kong, and the ability to build a business from scratch. You could go just to a random bar here, and the next table is maybe the CEO of an MNC talking to an entrepreneur that is talking to a lecturer or a government official. It's high quality networking all around town. Well, obviously you don't only have a CEO in the bars, but you can really meet interesting people for business. I'm not saying that in other places in the world people are not interesting, but if you're on business, you better talk to those guys. The other thing as well is if you want to set up something, manufacture something, China is next door. So it makes it really easy as well. And for all these reasons, so ease of business, networking, and the proximity of China, Hong Kong is a really great place for business. Reason number 3, the convenience of the city. So Hong Kong has it all. Everything is easy. We have the World Economic Forum that keeps talking about these 15 minutes cities. In Hong Kong, basically everything is 15 minutes away. You have a swimming pool 15 minutes away, you have a school 15 minutes away, you have a hospital 15 minutes away, your shopping mall, everything. So everything is so convenient. The schools are good quality. Either you go for public or you go for international schools. The hospitals are great as well. If you twist your ankle, the same day you can get an MRI. Obviously, you need to get a good insurance, but this as well doesn't come at a crazy price. We are not in the US where you will pay a fortune for insurance. We are not in Europe where you will pay a fortune in tax to get your hospital free of charge and wait 6 months to get your MRI. So that's the beauty here. Things just work and it feels good. Also, in terms of culture, in terms of activities, you can have so many options in Hong Kong, food, restaurants, etc. And you say, this is big city life. I say, yes, indeed, it's big city life. But combined with all the other reasons, I think that Hong Kong is a great city. I think it's a reason on its own. Reason number 4, the mix of nature and city. Most of people think of Hong Kong as a big mega city with buildings everywhere. And well, they are right, except a few villages in Hong Kong. Mostly it's big tower everywhere. However, what few people know if they don't come here is that 70% of Hong Kong is nature, is basically forest. So you're always like I would say 20, 30 minutes away from a beach, a beautiful hiking trail, and there's so many options for you to be out there, outside and enjoy the nature. So this is one of the beauty of Hong Kong. You have both the city and the nature. 5, traveling convenience. From Hong Kong, you are 4 to 5 hours away maximum from any Asian city. And this means that, okay, number one is great for business because you can go there and do business with different cities around Asia if it's your thing. But it also means that it makes a great place for just traveling for the weekend, go for an extended weekend somewhere in Seoul, in Cebu, in Bangkok, Koh Samui, Bali, etc. So you can easily travel in different places in Asia. It's so convenient from Hong Kong as it's a central place. And this is also an advantage. If you're into Asia, you will be able to experiment a whole variety of things from Hong Kong. So all these reasons to me, all these 5 reasons is why I really feel trapped here, because I don't see much alternative to Hong Kong really. And I really feel spoiled in here. So yeah, if you want more information about Hong Kong, I know normally I'm mostly talking about business things, but if you're interested to get more info about Hong Kong, just let me know in the comment below, because we are actually thinking to make a special series on Hong Kong itself, the place to visit, the things to do in here, in Hong Kong, if you are traveling here or if you are just living in the city. So stay tuned, and I see you in the next one.